Last will and testament of Jeff Bell. If I die, or my car gets damaged, it's all Bob's fault. Hey.
Are we all set here? We all set?
Yeah, we're set.
Okay, let's direct.
Put it down.
After we...
You didn't run over it! They're going crazy.
I opened my eyes. I'm sorry, Bell. I'm sorry, Bell. I opened it.
Action! Cut!
What the hell happened? What the hell happened? Two trees attacked me! Here, so bro. Okay, when you get out, turn the car off.
Trying to find some weapons.
What to like defend himself. Yeah,
I
there's
gotta
the Sergeant
say,
Slaughter out
stick
there.
to it.
Let's
Put
look
that
at
down. Fine. There
Fine.
we go.
You almost killed me.
Sorry. You thought you were a killer. Go ahead.
But keep it down next time and stuff. Well, and Rob's supposed to say his line.
I'm the business.
By the way, I read the shot.
What the hell?
Okay, take two.
Ready and action.
Wait, that camera off.
Action. What is this? What is that belt thrust there? Take 24. Ready and action. It's the far right pedal jump next to the brake.
It's me out with the door. Ah! Death! Destruction! Y'all die! Die, die, die.
But that's impossible because there's been all these people Never mind. But that's impossible. Say action.
It seems to be getting worse and worse each time we try this. I'm sorry.
Sorry, cut. Sorry.
That's a huge... Are you doing?
Yes, I'm going.
That's a huge ass crack.
Right here, man.
Got the killer, I got it.
Yeah, you're like half money's like, oh, kill me.
Oh my God, the killer is Jeff. Or is it Bob Marley?
That's pushing. Don't break the game.
I'm sorry, cut.
Stupid Gianna, let's get it. Stay back. I'll whack you good. Oh my God! Hold on. I threw it right.
Sucking in with my fat.
Not to make sure.
And action. Okay, stop. Trying to ham it up, hey bird? All right.
Die. Okay, cut. Totally out of frame, Nate. You need to be in frame more often, boy.
It's the stupid camera's fault, not mine.
Listen, I'm behind you!
Cool, cut.
We got a cameraman!
Show! Run!
He swore.
Okay, ready?
He swore. He swore.
Ready? Take two.
He swore.
Here we go. Stop doing that. Action.
Hey, wait! Hey, it's a nickel! Oh my god, it's shiny! Sorry! Where's the nickel? I think it's over here. What's that shiny thing? Oh, it's a nickel! Cool. What's it say? Look up. Ah! Oh, wait, we can't run away that time. I'm sorry.
Cut. My beer's not on. Wait, my beer's not on. Cut. Corn, grass, her hair, everybody else is in this movie. The entire friggin' film should be called continuity. Continuity. Sorry, I have nudity. You're ready?
Well.
Yeah, 1, 2, 5. You're right.
We're done, aren't we?
Action.
We're safe! I can't believe it! I can't move my head! Oh my god! We're safe!
Cut, stop. This is the insurance claim. If I die or my camera does, it's all Nate's fault. Here we go.
Don't walk in front of me, you idiot.
Action.
Oh, damn you! I
told you.
Damn you! Right in the forehead!
The other. More, Nate. More.
What?
Yeah.
Ah!
Okay. Ah. Huh? Okay. One more time, Nate.
My keys are somewhere in the bag.
Don't worry about the keys. Here we go. Ready?
Wow.
Try it one more time. Ready?
What's up?
Sure, what's that?
Watch, the cop comes around the corner. Oh shit.
Okay.
Action!
Action.
Die! You're dying now! Die! Hi,
He's dead.
I'm the killer! Dying! Hack up a hairball!
It's kind of dark. You can't see.
My knife's on sale.
Oh,
I'm a crafty killer.
Rabbit carcass. You all set, Bob? Okay, he's deaf. Anyways. Almost set. Ready? And stop looking at the camera.
Sucker. That was really bad.
Oh my god. Stay back. Why don't you go? No. You get this for the insurance claim. See, Judge? Nate was riding on top of it. It was his choice.
Everyone's...
Why the hell are we all in the back of the car all of a sudden?
Claire, sit down.
Sit down.
Don't kill me.
Claire, yes. Sit down.
Woo! Bob, slow down, man. Bob, stop, Bob. Oh, God. I'm sorry. This is me throwing up over the edge of the car. Blah.
Don't worry, I'll check it out.
Damn you! Make a loud noise! Like that or something!
Guys, what are we gonna do?
On the car!
You
I
know
don't have acting skills.
why you're the techie.
Get the hammer height. I was a techie because I can't act.
Action! John, hold on. That's not on your windshield wiper. Oh my God.
Ow! That hit me right in the shoulder. Do you want to do your last will and testament before you film?
Yeah, is it on? No. Yeah, if I like die
From the stick.
from a stick, give me a tetanus shot.
Malicious sticking.
And then
Resuscitate you.
no, that stuff. And then film the rest of my scenes with my brother 4 years from now.